Hi my loves and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve a glossy two-toned lip. This tutorial is beginner friendly. Anybody can do it, even your cat can do it, and I know you've been struggling with two-tone lip. That's why you clicked this video.
I know that's right.
Anyways, if you want to see how I achieve these two-tone lips, then make sure you're subscribed to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up, and let's just jump into the video.
Summer floating over my heart. We're both dancing over the dark side. I don't know who you are, you are.
All right, so to start off, I'm actually going to be lining my lips. As you can see, my entire makeup scheme is nude, so I want to continue with that. I'm going to be using a brown pencil to line my lips. Basically, two-tone lip is having your top lip one color and your bottom lip another separate color. It's usually the top lip darker and the bottom lighter. I'm also going to be lining the down part just slightly, you know. So for my top lip, I'm going to be using this dark chocolate brown lipstick. I'm just going to apply it all over the lip like this. It's that easy. Most people tend to use their brown pencil to just paint the top of their lip. I think that's lots of stress. Just get yourself a brown lipstick and that'll be all. For my bottom lip, I'm actually going to be using this this light nude liquid lipstick that I have here. And I'm going to be mixing it with a lighter pink shade, this light pink color here. I'm just going to take a little bit of it, then I'm going to use my finger to blend it out. So that's that for that. So this is everything. Like, one thing to keep it together is not joining your lips together. Like, don't do that. You end up mixing the two and it won't be two-toned anymore. I think I'm loving it like this. So yeah, you can totally apply gloss. For gloss, I'm going to be using this Absolute Lip Gloss. Why? Because it's in a tube and I can just apply it to the back of my hand like this. Then I'm going to be taking the wand of my gloss. First, we start with the top part. After applying, I'm going to wipe the wand because of the brown shade, and that is why I suggest using a tube gloss, because you can easily just pour it somewhere. Then I move to the down parts. I also wipe out the pink shade from my wand and then put the wand back into the bottle without contaminating it or changing the color. So guys, this is my lips after. The tutorial is so easy and I hope you enjoy it. I will be doing more with different colors. I will even do a two-toned matte lip and I will also do ombre lips, glossy and matte. If you want to know when those videos come out, make sure you're subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all of my socials right here. The link will be in the description. Leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I love you all so much, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.